Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Nadia. Nice to meet you.
Where are you from, Nadia?
I'm from London. How about you, Alex?
I'm from New York. What do you do for fun?
I enjoy reading books and hiking. What about you?
I like playing soccer and painting. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one younger sister. How about you?
I have an older brother. What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. What about you?
Pizza is great. I enjoy sushi. What's your favorite movie?
I really like The Shawshank Redemption. What about you?
That's a good one. I love Forrest Gump. Do you like animals?
Yes, I adore dogs. Do you have any pets, Alex?
I have a cat named Whiskers. What's your favorite color?
Blue is my favorite color. How about you?
I like green. What languages do you speak?
I speak English and a bit of French. What about you, Alex?
I speak English and Spanish. What's your dream travel destination?
I'd love to visit Japan someday. How about you?
Japan sounds amazing. I'd like to go to Italy. Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar. How about you?
I play the piano. What's your favorite season?
I love autumn. What about you?
Autumn is beautiful. I prefer spring. What's your favorite book?
To Kill a Mockingbird is one of my favorites. How about you?
I like Pride and Prejudice. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy photography and cooking. What about you?
Those are great hobbies. I like gardening and playing chess. What's your favorite TV show?
I enjoy watching Friends. How about you?
Game of Thrones is my favorite. Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love spending time by the sea. What about you?
Beaches are relaxing. I enjoy hiking in the mountains. Do you have a favorite sport?
I like playing basketball. What about you?
I love swimming. What's your favorite holiday?
I enjoy Christmas the most. How about you?
Christmas is wonderful. I like celebrating New Year's Eve. Do you have a favorite dessert?
I absolutely adore chocolate cake. What about you?
Chocolate cake is delicious. I love apple pie. What's your favorite movie genre?
I enjoy watching comedy movies. How about you?
Comedy movies are fun. What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I enjoy going camping. How about you?
Camping is adventurous. I love going for picnics. Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking different recipes. What about you?
I like trying new recipes. What's your favorite type of music?
I listen to pop music mostly. How about you?
Pop music is catchy. I like listening to classical music. What's your favorite board game?
I enjoy playing Monopoly. How about you?
Monopoly is fun. I like playing Scrabble. What's your favorite flower?
I love sunflowers. What about you?
Sunflowers are beautiful. I like roses. Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I'm more of a tea person. What about you?
I love coffee. What's your favorite historical period?
I'm fascinated by ancient Egypt. How about you?
Ancient Egypt is interesting. I like the Renaissance period. What's your favorite quote?
Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. What about you?
That's a great quote. I like, the only limit is your mind. What's your favorite fruit?
I adore strawberries. What about you?
Strawberries are tasty. I love mangoes. What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Chocolate chip is my favorite.